E. coli are a large and diverse group of bacteria. Although most strains of E. coli are harmless, others can make people sick. Some kinds of E. coli can cause diarrhea, while others cause urinary tract infections, respiratory illness and pneumonia, and other illnesses. Still, other kinds of E. coli are used as markers for water contamination. Some kinds of E. coli cause disease by making a toxin called Shiga toxin. The bacteria that make these toxins are called Shiga toxin-producing E. coli, or STEC for short. The most commonly identified of these in North America is E. coli 0157H7. When you hear news reports about outbreaks of E. coli infections, they are usually talking about E. coli 0157. In addition to E. coli 0157, many other kinds can cause disease. People of any age can become infected. Very young children and the elderly are more likely to develop severe illness than others, but even healthy older children and young adults can become seriously ill. The symptoms of these infections vary for each person, but often include severe stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting. If there is fever, it is usually not very high. Most people get better within 5 to 7 days. Some infections are very mild, but others are severe or even life-threatening. E. coli live in the guts of some animals, including cattle, goats, sheep, deer, and elk. The major source for human illness is cattle. Infections typically start when someone consumes contaminated food, unpasteurized raw milk products, or drinks contaminated water. Contact with cattle or contact with the feces of infected people can also cause infection. Some foods are considered to carry such a high risk of infection from E. coli 0157 or other harmful pathogens that health officials recommend that people avoid them completely. There are believed to be about 70,000 infections from E. coli 0157 each year in the United States alone. To learn more about E. coli or other food pathogens, please visit the websites shown on the screen.